Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about the fixing of the screen dimming issue on your iPhone. So to disable auto brightness, you can do this in iOS 16, 17, and 18 and other versions of iOS. So this will work regardless of your iOS version. So settings right here, you go to accessibility, scroll down, and display and text size. Scroll down to the very bottom and you will find auto brightness. So my phone just dimmed so bad I can't see the screen, so there you go, you turn that off. So let me just put this back up right here. So there, auto brightness is a feature that I also hate myself. So I always turn it off when I have a iPhone in my hand. So right here, turning off auto brightness is a lifesaver and it will help you get rid of that issue when you're watching a video and then suddenly it just dims out of nowhere. So there you go. Now that's how you fix your screen dimming issue on your iPhone. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.